Hello, this is Shiblunaman, and I'm from Bangladesh, and I'm working as a UI UX designer for the last 4 years. I design iOS and Android apps, web app, and dashboard landing page on Figma. I also design professional logo, banner, cover if that's needed. Always try to make my client 100% satisfied and provide professional expertise, and it's free. User interface design is my full time profession, so my delivery and response time is very fast. Once I receive an order, I start working immediately. So if you have any question regarding UI UX design and web development, do leave me a message. I would love to have a conversation with you. Thank you. Have a great day.